Hello everyone, let's install the tools necessary for this course. We need to install Node.js, which helps to run JavaScript code outside of the browser. This is really helpful since it means that your JavaScript code does not have to be loaded and executed as a part of web page. In other words, you can write JavaScript file and run it from the command line. If you already have Node.js installed, then you don't need to download it, and if you don't have in your machine, then you need to go to this website nodejs.org and you need to download this LTS version. This is the latest version and you need to install it in your machine. I have already installed it, so I will not install it again. And the second tool is Visual Studio Code. So I am using Visual Studio Code as my code editor. So if you want to use Visual Studio Code as your code editor, then you need to visit this website code.visualstudio.com and you need to click on this down arrow and then you can download this software and install it in your machine. So I already have installed in my machine, so I will not do it again. Okay. So this is it for this video and I'll see you in the next video.